using this blend from Protein World. It's the Slender blend, and it's in the flavor milk chocolate, and it's high in protein and no added sugar and 201 calories. I really like it. I really feel like it tastes like a chocolate milkshake. Sent me this little container, well, this shaker, this bottle for mixing, and I also have, so what it tells you is to add, if you want it as a meal, you have to add 4 scoops to 400 milliliters of almond milk and shake well. And if you want a snack or like post-workout, you add 4 scoops to 400 milliliters of water and shake well. I'm gonna take it as a, not as a full meal because I'm gonna eat, but I'll take it as a snack. So I'll just prepare it right now and drink it after, or just drink it before. Honestly, I really like it, so. It literally tastes like milk chocolate. I love it so much, but it's not. It's high in protein, you know what I mean? Also sent me a mug cake mix, which I haven't tried yet, but if it tastes anything like this, it's gonna taste amazing. And this is high in fiber, low in sugar. So I think I'm gonna bake one this evening after my meal. It is currently 9:30. I have to go to the gym, and then I'm gonna start my to-do list. I have a lot of things to do, just prepping for school because I'm starting on a Wednesday. Why? I don't know. Starting in the middle of the week, like that's dumb. Anyways, I'm supposed to receive a very special thing today, so I'm very excited about that. Hello. So I got back from the gym. I did 2 things on my to-do list. So I sent back hair that I didn't need anymore because I wanted it for my trip and it was just not fitting. It was way too black. Anyways, I sent it back to China. It's so expensive to ship it from China, like to China. I didn't even take a tracking number. I was like, you know what, let's hope for the best and pray that it gets there. And then I went and charged my card for the month for my commuting because school is starting back and I have to commute, and it's ghetto, but I mean, I don't know, I guess. First of all, let's talk about my outfit. I never wore this top and I love it so much. I bought it for France, but I just never got to wearing it. And then I'm wearing these shorts. You can't see. But my booty be bootying. Like, I never, like, it's been a while since I wore these shorts. And it really shows that I've been going to the gym. Hold on. Like, my booty be bootying. Am I crazy? Do you see it? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I'm crazy. So. done with my hair. I'm redoing it. I just had a bubble in my head and I was just like, you know what? Let's redo my hair. But that's besides the point. I'm going to show you what I received in the mail. I received my iPad. I decided to buy an iPad for school because I felt like I was in a studying rut, and I felt like having an iPad would help me study and improve taking notes and just feel better about myself because I was kind of depressed. So that's what I'm gonna open right now. So I got the Apple Pen, pineapple apple pen, and I got the iPad Pro 12.9-inch screen. I could die right now. It is only Wi-Fi. I didn't take with the cellular cell phone because I don't know. 256 gigabytes because I really wanted to use it for school only, so it's gonna force me to use it only for school and not for everything else. Maybe YouTube for, like, you know, creative things, but I just want to use it for what I purchased it for, you know? So I'm so excited. Let's open it together. Cute. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my god, look at her. She's so thin. She's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so when you open it up, it's like this. I bought it in Cosmic Gray and I engraved it. Of course I engraved it. So it's written right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's MK's iPad. And it's so cute. It's so small and dainty. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. My little iPad. Oh my god. It's literally a sheet. Like, it's the size of an A4 paper. Well, A4. A little bit smaller than an A4 paper. But I'm absolutely in love. Oh my god. Thank god they gave you a charger because I was scared. Because, you know, they like took off, I think, oh, it was the headphones that he took off, right? I think they took up the chargers too for the phones. Anyways, so I got this and this, and then I got the Apple Pencil, which I'm gonna open right now. Isn't it so satisfying opening this thing up? I love it. And of course, I engraved it as well, and I wrote MK's pen. It doesn't want to focus, but it's written MK's pen, okay? Anyways. I'm gonna cry. I could cry right now. Like, and school is starting in 2 days. So I got it. Hello. Yes, hello. Hello. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that I got my iPad. Okay, this is a whole lot later than you think. So basically I had to return the iPad and get a new one, but since I engraved my last one, I asked to get an engraved too. So it took me 5 opening days to receive the second one, and then I got the case and I got the pen too, and it's engraved as well. I think I showed you in the other clip, but yeah. And yeah, so I'm really happy. Like, this is a 2-week review of the iPad. I really like it. I thought I was gonna be like, oh my god, the size is way too big, but I love it. It's like a freaking paper. So this is what I do with my notes. Isn't it so cute? I'm so happy of the results that I'm getting from me taking notes. I thought that I would struggle, and of course I'm trying to make it cute, so it takes me more time to of course take notes, but I still actually learn more. Things get in my head way easier, and it's just easier to learn when it's aesthetically pleasing. So I don't know, I just feel like it was all worth it. It's an expensive investment, but it's a good investment, well, for me, and also because I'm a YouTuber, so I'm gonna do all my thumbnails and everything on it. So definitely there will be a video about how I take notes and how I do my thumbnails. So I'm really ecstatic about that. Today, I'm going to show you my typical day as a student, and now I'm going to study. I am running a little bit late, so I need to go now. We're going to study at school because it's just easier, and I have my best buddy to study with. We have the same goals, we have the same, you know, energy, so it's really fun. So yeah, let's go to school. Also, I received in the mail today Paper-like, the screen protector. I kind of like my screen as is. Some people don't like it because it glides a lot, but I actually do like it. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually put the screen protector, but I mean, I paid $40, so I think I might. If anything, I mean, it feels like paper, so I feel I'm like, okay, it's fine, it won't be annoying. And if it's annoying, well, I'll just take it off, you know. So I'm wearing something very simple. It's a green top from H&M, and then I have a crew neck, a black crew neck. I think it's an Adidas one, yeah. And then the effortless pants from Aritzia. Get in, loser. We're going to school. So it's my first study session of the year. We're starting it off with a good energy. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be good. We're gonna have good grades. This semester I have like one class, all of the subject, and then we have the exam, and then we move on to another class. It's not like everything intertwined. Of course we have projects and personal work that we have to do, but it's really more separated than it used to be, which I think it helps when you want to have good grades. And I feel like we're gonna be prepared after this study session, so I'm just keeping a good vibe and good energy. Okay, so I just got back from school, but I want to go to the bookstore because I want to get a book from Yuval, I don't know, it's Homo Deus. And then I'm gonna go back home and get ready for like 45 minutes, and I have a supper tonight at Gato Mato, and it's literally where I am right now, but I have to dress up, you know, I'm just as a student and I need to be dressed like a bad bee. So follow me around while I do this in like an hour. Okay, bye. Okay, sorry for this shitty lighting, but I just wanted to show you what I chose to wear. It's like a dupe from with jean. Can you see this dress? You can't see the dress. Ooh, that's better. So this is the dress I am wearing tonight. And I just got my hair in a ponytail. Lisa, I thought. And the books that I got. So I told you I wanted to get Homo Deus. So this is what I got. I got it. It's really, but it's kind of big. I didn't expect this, but I mean, it's normal. I think it has an index at the end, so that's why. But I'm really excited to read it because I read the first one, Sapiens, and I really liked it. And of course I got a love story. Of course I did. So I got Every Summer After by Carly Fortune. So yeah, oh my god. Sorry for that. It's chaotic. It's chaotic. I need to leave in like 10 minutes. But yeah, so I got those two books. and I'm really happy, and I'll tell you all about it in one of my book reviews. Anyways, next time I'll see you, I'll probably be at the restaurant, so yeah, I'll catch you there.